This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essential prerequisites: a valid Office 365 or Exchange account and network connectivity. Once confirmed, open the Outlook desktop app and choose Add Account to begin the process. Enter your email address and password. Outlook will attempt automatic configuration. If automatic setup fails, select Advanced Setup and pick Exchange or IMAP. Make sure to allow permission prompts and multi-factor authentication when requested. This ensures Outlook can sync mail, calendar, and contacts without later interruptions. Once your account connects, focus on synchronization and organization so Outlook behaves predictably. You should set mail sync frequency and choose whether to download full messages or headers only. This balances speed and storage. Next, create inbox rules and enable focused inbox to prioritize important messages, then pin frequently used folders to favorites. Make sure calendar and contacts are connected and that offline settings include recent mail for travel. These steps reduce delays and keep key items available when you switch devices. To finish, validate everything by composing and sending a test message and forcing a manual send/receive to confirm sync. Once done, link any shared mailboxes or additional accounts and adjust notification preferences. If problems occur, first confirm credentials and network access, then update Office. If syncing still fails, recreate the Outlook profile. This usually clears corrupted settings. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear cached credentials from Windows Credential Manager and restart Outlook. Many persistent sign-in errors are resolved that way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.